Hey guys, it's Mamba Box Breaks. I'm here just to break a tin of 2021 Series 2 Upper Deck. I used to do box breaks about 10 years ago when the hobby wasn't this booming. And I just went to school and just couldn't keep up with everything, and the hobby wasn't as booming as it is now. As you can see from the boxes in the back, those are all from 2010, 2011. Now, I'm sort of settled and want to get back into it. I still have all my cards. I'll show you guys sometime. Some beautiful cards. Just wanna open up this simple a small box break here, and I'm planning on doing some group breaks eventually. If you guys want to get into it, you can follow me at Mamba DFS or Mamba Box Breaks, and we can do that eventually too. I thought I'd start with just a retail box here, and see who we can pull here. So here we go. Hopefully something nice. I found this I was at Walmart, and I happened to see this was the last tin there. So let's see what we can get. I guess we'll start with the bonus pack here. There it is. So let's start with this. I guess these are pretty hard to open here. Okay. Wow. Guess I'll come back to that one. Doesn't want to open. Let's try this. Okay. I can sort of see why this was the last pack there. Okay, never had this issue. Promise I won't cut the card. I've done this a lot of times before when these packs get stuck. There we go. There we go. So let's see the first one here. We got Adam Pellish, Ben Hutton, Ryan Pulak, Sebastian Aho, Mackenzie Blackwood, Brendan Lemieux, Dennis Gurachev, Dustin Brown. I guess this was just the base pack, so it's nice to get that out of the way. Let me see if I can maybe man, these are hard to open. There we go. We have Anthony Sorelli, Michael Amato, and I think we have our first canvas here, which is Charlie McBoy. It's a nice one. Put that on the side there. Ethan Bear, and just a couple of more base cards there. I won't bore you guys with the base. One more here. I'm really having trouble opening these packs. Okay, I guess it's gonna be a struggle all the way through. Just gonna cut it open here. There we go. Marchant, Ryan Johansson, base, Austin Matthews, base, and our first young gun, Keegan Colasar. These. And I guess base. We got these things glued on pretty good. We got Sid the Kid base. I always like to collect even his base cards, and I think we have our first marquee. It's a Ranger, and it's not the one we wanted. It's Vitaly Karvetsov, and we have our first Dazzler, and it's Teuvo Teravainen, which is a nice one. It's a gold one, which I think a little bit more rare, so I think I could be wrong. Again, I've been out of the hobby for a while, so I did place a pre-order for the 2021-2022 boxes, which I guess are getting delayed till January now, so see what else we can do here. We got Olofsson, Zajac, Foselli, and another OPT marquee rookie here, Ty Dellandiria. Not sure. Jamie Benn, Tarasenko, a couple of other base. We'll save that one for last now, since we're opening these. I think I'm just gonna open them this way. That's the only way I can get them to open. Okay, and we have Strawman, Fowler, Kuznetsov, Leonard, and our first portrait rookie is Alexander Alexiev. Okay, it's the portrait. A couple of those, more base there. Oh, there we go. That's the first one that we could actually open properly. And we have Rantanen, Greenway, Bozak. Oh, there we go. That's the rookie we were looking for. I love buying the last box left at any like Walmart, anywhere I go, or even a hobby shop. I always find all my luck in that one. That's the one we were looking for out of this pack, and there it is. Not bad for the first box opening after 10 years. Couple of base. That's the rookie we wanted out of this box, and awesome. Let's keep going. Just gonna see what the condition of this card is. If it's worth grading. It looks pretty good. Centered. The corners look good. Pretty good. Pretty happy about that one. I guess the struggle to open these was sort of worth it. Let's see what else we got here. I guess we got a couple more young guns in these. Helm, Brady Tkachuk, who's having a pretty good year there in Ottawa, and another canvas. It's Cam Atkinson. Couple of more base there. Did everyone have this much trouble opening these? Because I've never had this much trouble opening up packs. Even when I used to do it back then. This is insane. I guess they've been sitting there for a while. go. Justin Falk, base, Reeves, Muzzin, Folino, and marquee rookie, Ryan McLeod. All right, I guess we hit the one we really wanted. Let's get this pack out of here now. There we go. And let's see if we can hit something nice out of these glossy peachies. Oh, there we go. Alex Lafreniere, the other rookie we wanted. Not bad at all. I don't know how much these things go for, but that's not a bad box if you can hit a Kaprizov and the #1 pick right here. And then we have Philip Kurashev. I guess this is the one, the insert you really wanted, and a Connor Ingram. But not bad at all. Our two big hits were the two we wanted. And there we go. Not bad for a first break. And a Walmart box there. I'll take it. Thanks, guys. Keep watching. We'll be doing a lot of box breaks. Just waiting on some more NBA, NFL product to drop. If you guys want to get in on a group break, I'm gonna start those pretty soon as well. I'm going to do them literally at cost, plus shipping. So even if I'm really doing this for fun and not for to make a profit or anything like that, I might keep my Vancouver Canucks, who suck right now, but out of those breaks, but for myself, but everyone else would be available. So yeah, if you guys want to get in on that, just follow me on Twitter, and all the links are below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.